So in this session, our discussion is on jQuery. So as we discussed already, jQuery is the library of JavaScript.
JavaScript.
And if you want to use jQuery in your project, you have to just include this library. Already we have done it. Now in this program, when you click on this button, cool, I'm calling change color, and using this much, you are accessing the object of object which ID is username. So in this object is input, and you are applying the style background color yellow. Done. So same thing I want to replace with the jQuery. See, in jQuery, this much you can replace with dollar, and in jQuery, if you want to access any DOM object, you can use hash. What man? Double
Yes.
quotes hash, and you can put the ID of the DOM object. After
With
it,
that.
yeah, you got this object, right?
Mhm.
Uh, so this is JavaScript style, okay? No need to write this. And if you want to do with jQuery, right? Syntax will be a little bit different. Let's do that. So jQuery changing background color. You can do that, okay? So how you can do in jQuery? You can get method is CSS. Can you see this? Syntax change, right? Dot CSS. Mhm. Then here you can write the attribute which you want to change, background color, right? Oh, luck. I got the same thing, right? Hello, you can do that. You can change the color of it. I hope I am making myself clear. Yes, too clear, right? Comment it. Tell me, this syntax seems to be more, you know, compact. This is clear, or you confused? No, it's clear. Click on this. See, nice.
Pop.
So we have to use dollar always to access it. Fine. Now, actually in jQuery, right? You want to initialize your object when your page is completely loaded. What I said? Want to perform some action, right? Want to perform some action or initialize, or you want to do some initialization, right? So when you want to do it, when your DOM is completely loaded, right?
So
When
that means like all the resources are already
loaded,
downloaded from.
yeah, when your DOM is ready, right? Then you want to perform something. In order to do it in Java, jQuery is provides ready handler. What? Ready handler. So how you can write it? Dollar a dollar you can replace with jQuery. This is also correct, man. I told you what I said. jQuery is
Yes.
one of the
Dollar.
object, right? Either you can write jQuery or you can use it. Both are same. It will work. And this is one of the implicit object which is defined inside in this file. Already definition of it, it is there. So I'm just writing ready handler, right? So always you will see this kind of concept, dollar jQuery, then you will have document. Are you following me? After that, you can use ready handler, and in this you can write your code. When DOM is ready, right? jQuery, you in the function you are passing document object, and when it is ready, right? Then you want to perform some function. This is callback method. This is clear, man. This is anonymous function. An anonymous function you can call in other function as a parameter. You know it or not?
Yes.
There is many
Can't we
way to do
simply
it.
call change color?
You can do that. So here, if you want to write it as a lambda, how you can do that? Yep. Are you following me? There is a many syntax of it, right? Hello.
That.
And there is you can if you want you can make it more shorter, right? Everything is possible in this, right? So this is called ready handler. So there is many way to write it. Clear? So when DOM is ready, immediately you want to change the color of it. So what going to happen after that? You want to make this color pink. Hmm. So initially when your page is loaded, its color will be what? Hey, this is clear, or you got confused? Hmm?
Yes.
Dollar
So
document
one thing
ready.
you have hash before username, right?
Yeah, because this will
That's to
give you,
access the DOM.
yeah, DOM object in your document object tree. Then you are applying this. You know JavaScript. JavaScript modifies. You know it. JavaScript modifies attribute and behavior of
Objects.
any object in document object model. So basically, what I'm saying, basically, JavaScript works where? Works on DOM. Am I right?
Yeah.
With DOM API. Exactly. JavaScript basically modifies attribute and behavior of any DOM element. Nice. Yes. So what do you want to do? If you refresh it, right? Initially its color is this one, right? But when you click on it, it should be pink. Hmm? Yeah, makes sense. Initially color
Makes
is this.
sense.
And if you want to write this event, right? This is called event handler action, you can say. When some event occurs, then if you want to write in this the same thing in jQuery style, you know what you need to do? Here you have to do like this. You would say, hmm, on which button?
Dollar.
Yeah. I'm going to write in jQuery style. Can you see this? Here you have to give the ID to the button. ID to the button, you just given the cool, not cool, Kula, right? Kula is the name of the, sorry, ID of the button. You want to apply some event on it, right? In jQuery style. How? First of all, you will access the object, hmm, hash Kula. Hello. Then you would say click event, right? You want to trap the click event. When somebody click on this Kula object, you want to perform some action, you can pass this as a anonymous function as a parameter. You understood? Hmm.
Or we don't have to do on click in the HTML
No,
part.
no. Yeah, no need to do that. You can play with the ID. So what you said? You say when somebody this is giving you the object to button. On that, when somebody perform click event, then you want to call this callback method. Nice. Same thing. This is jQuery style, right? Then refresh it. It's working, right? I hope you understand little bit about jQuery.
Yes, little bit, sir.
Okay. What my plan is, I'm going to apply the validation in this using jQuery. What is the validation? I forget it. Basically, my intention is in this, right? It should not be blank, right? And number
Yeah.
of characters should not be less than 3. That is my requirement. And here
And
I
it should
want to,
have add the red.
yeah, in this I'll ensure it should have email thing in this. So let's do that, okay? So people, in order to do it, username and email already it has ID, right? That's okay. So basically, when somebody click on which button? Magic button.
Submit button.
Magic button, a submit button, whatever button you say, right? So you can say ID, you can write magic. Magic is the ID of it. So you want to apply this on magic? How you can do that? Please help me. Here you can write some, apply
Yes.
some event on it, right? On event you can attach action. See which event, man? Click event,
Click.
semicolon. In that you can pass your callback, sorry, anonymous function.
And when I was concerned,
Like
image
here, there is many way to
function.
do it, man. You can pass in this way, or you can store the definition of it in a variable like this. Hmm? You can store over here, and you can pass this papa over here. You can do that. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can do that. But nobody does like this. What they do, they pass
Lambda or
function,
anonymous.
anonymous function as a parameter. Somebody is saying, can you write it as a lambda? That looks nice. We can do that. Yep. On click, what you want to do? First of all, on click, you want to read the value of it. How, man? In jQuery, if you want to read the value of it, first of all, access object of it. Can you see this? Dollar hash username. I got the object, which
Yes.
ID is username. So basically, I got the object of input. If you want to read the value from the input, you can use val method of it. Which method? Val method. So here I got the whatever somebody types in the username, you got it. Clear? The first thing which I want to verify is, any guess? Username dot
Contents add.
alias 0. If it is 0, right? Then what do you say?
Mm.
Raise the error.
Yeah, you would say username can't be blank. In order to show the message, I need your help. if you want to show the message here, you can add one line, and one line basically this is called inline, right? If you want to write in one line, inline element.
So can we make a placeholder inside the username where in red color maybe? Because that's real life. Like that's how
Yeah,
real
yeah, yeah.
application.
You can do it. Everything is possible. Are you following me?
Yeah.
Whatever you want to, there is a ready-made plugin code, you can use it. It's possible. Fine.
Okay.
If you want, you can show this message below to it, right? Input, style, color. If you want to show in red color, font, size. This is called inline CSS. In real life, we do not use inline CSS. We can create a external CSS at one place, and you can use using class. So I'm just making 18px of it, and you can give the ID, right? ID is e username. Mhm. Man, you want to write data in between? Earlier you may be using inner HTML. Here you have to use simple thing. Can you see this? Hash e username, error username dot HTML. I want to write my HTML content in between. Can you see this? We can use
Just like
HTML
inner
method.
HTML
Yeah.
in JavaScript.
So you can say username can't blank. Clear? That's why I'm saying if you know JavaScript, jQuery is not a big deal. What I'm saying username can't be blank. So let's do this much first. Try. And please, if you have any mistake, you can go to the console and check it. So I don't have any mistake. Click on the cool button. And this color is looking really very odd. You know how to change it, right? Already I explained to you. Hello. You can anytime you can take color of your choice. You should apply RGB where you can make a color of your choice by passing its RGB value. It's not working. I don't know. I think it's a mistake. Check it.
Maybe we separate the value in comma inside the RGB.
Where?
Maybe,
This
yeah,
one?
but I'm not sure.
Let's try. It should be,
We
I
need a
guess. How
semicolon.
is gone? I think when you copy it. Oh no.
No.
Let's try again.
Do we need the semicolon
Actually,
after
it's not working.
bracket?
Give me a second. I'm trying. Why is coming like this? Oh. Trying. Okay. Let's copy this. Now I got the hexadecimal value. I think that should also work. We have to see the syntax. No problem at all. So when you click on it, what happened? Username can't be blank. It's okay, man? Mister?
Yeah.
Username can't blank, and here you can do one more thing. When you click on it, you want your cursor should blink in this, right? The place where error comes. Yes, you know. In order
Yes.
to put the focus on the user name object, you can use this method. Can you see this? But it is its syntax is a little bit compact compared to JavaScript. You said username.
So
Sorry.
yeah.
You have to put over here, right? I said username can't be blank, and then put the focus of the cursor to the user input object. Let's see what is the meaning of it. Click on it. See, it's blinking, right? Yep. Now, when you type something, you want it should gone. Yes, you know. Hello. You can write one more method for it, please. Which method? You can say when somebody people help me. When somebody is going to type, where they are going to type on this, you can use key up or key down. There is a lot of events.
How do you
People,
what is a
can you
good
see this?
resource to find these kind of things?
There, see. Here you put here on key. Can you see this? On key press. So somebody when they press key or they press key down or up, whatever you want to do, right? Man, dude. So event is key down, right? You can use it. Which event? Help me, key down, right? And in this you can use function, lambda function, no parameter, right? Like this. So basically what you want to do, man, when somebody do key down, whatever message is there, you want to make it blank. Can you see this? Yep. That's it. So let's see what happened, sir. Click on it. When you type something, whatever is error is there, it will go on. Nice.
Mhm.
And if you want to put some restriction on the length, you can do that also. You want to do the restriction? Yeah. So basically another condition you want to write is,
And it's going to be live.
yeah, else if, either that or this, right? So you want to make, if this length is greater than 4, right? Then username must be of more than 3 characters. Make sense? Yeah. So this is all about logic. Like here, when you click on it, blank, and if you have only two letter, then it is saying user must be of done.
So is there a
After,
way where we can do check that when we are still typing, like not clicking magic button live?
yeah, you can do that. You can check that. Okay, you have to use the event, right? Key down. Everything is possible, right? I
Okay.
told you already, everything is possible. So I'm able to do the validation on this. You want to do the validation on email ID? Yep. Doing validation on email ID is a cup of tea. Yes or no? Because already I have done it for one. To see the way I'm doing. I'm doing for email. I need your help. Read the email, length, right, and email can't be blank. Make sense? Then you want to change the email length. Yeah, email length would be also not less than 8. So you can say email must be more than must be of more than 8 characters. I hope I'm making myself clear. Yep. You have to say yes.
Yes.
And also for
And
emailing,
for
like
error,
some
you can use, yeah, for error, you can use this email. See the way I'm doing. Cling, cling. Here, what I'm doing is I'm going to use, sorry, email, right? And what and nothing. Hey, what is this? By mistake, I think it's there. And I want to make the color of it blue, right? Let's see. Now we have validation for both. Username can't be blank, email can't be blank. Make sense? When you are typing, it's not gone because you do not have this method. So when somebody is typing on the email ID, then you can use this. I hope I'm making myself clear in jQuery. So again, jQuery is what? You can Google it also,
Email.
right? Yeah, jQuery is nothing. You can say it is the library of JavaScript and it does great job. It makes your code
it's not easier.
compact, right? Much easier, right? Yep.
Yes.
You can Google it and everywhere you will get the certain point about it. I don't remember it. Okay. In this we have a lot of there's a lot of library which you can easily use it. Fine. So can I say jQuery is not different from JavaScript? Of course, it is not different from JavaScript. Somebody says, "Hey, don't make me fall." It is
So line
JavaScript.
30, it should be email. EE.
jQuery is part of
Okay.
JavaScript, right?
jQuery is the library of JavaScript. That's
Yeah.
correct.
jQuery is a big file with a JS extension.
Exactly. Username can't be blank. Email can't be blank, right? If you want to use one validation at a time, then you can use return statement also, right? Return statement. It is up to you, right? You
So
want at a
Naveen,
time, you should just validate. Give me a second. Like here, you can use return everywhere. Why? Because I don't want to perform multiple validation, right? So return it. Hey, are you with me? Return semicolon. What is the benefit of it? At the same time, it is not going to show you the true validation. Can you see this? Done. 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 Okay. People, you can ask some questions. Please ask questions. Hey, before answering, asking questions, somebody is saying, Nagendra, can we put this file outside? Outside to this file? Yeah. So see, I haven't done this so far. So what you can do, can you see this with me? You can make a folder, right? That is called JPT. You can give any name to it, right? And in this folder, I can make a JS file. What file? JS file, amok.js file. You can give any name to it, doesn't matter.
Save all the functions.
Yeah, whatever code you are writing in this file, because writing directly all this thing logic over here is not it's not a good practice. Okay, what you can do, whatever you have
We
here,
can use
right?
it as source.
Yeah, so cut it, cut, and just paste over here. Got it? Why is not looking colored? You can do it, but let's do it in the last, right? Right? But let me show you. Like here, you can write src, and then you can. Oh, I press Control space bar. Automatically it comes. My luck. Hello. It will work in the same fashion. Can you see this? Yep. Hello. You got the idea? Which one is better approach? Writing all the this code inside the file itself in the same file, or making it external JS? Huh? Making it as external JS. Make sense? Yeah.
Yeah.
Again, I'm just putting this content over here for you. Okay. Done. When it is ready, you can move it. Okay, in this file. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. In this, if you want to apply the email validation, then you can get some ready-made that is called pattern, right? Validate email in JavaScript. If you can get some pattern, it would be great. Hello everyone, do you know what I'm trying to do?
Yeah.
This is the code,
Email
right?
pattern. If something is missing, like if there is domain is missing, at the rate is missing or something like that,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. So I don't know what logic, honestly, I'm telling you, I'm doing this in front of you and I don't know what this is doing, right? But we can use it, right? There's many way to use it. You just help me, right? So if it is matches this pattern, email is valid. So see my style, the way I'm doing copy paste. Yep.
Does regex?
Yeah. You can use yeah, this is regex which you can use with this. So how you can validate the email? If length is right and this is, you can validate in last. So else, right? Else means it is just satisfying, it is not 0 and not less than 8, then else. So you can see the way I'm doing, right? What you can do? Simple, sir, simple. If this condition becomes true, means your email is valid. If this condition becomes false, then email is not valid. Make sense? Just I put not over here.
So input text is some
This
variable.
is, yeah, I'm going to read it, right? Input text means your data. Here you have to write your email, right? Email dot
Email.
value. Email dot value.
Right.
Done. That's it. That's your input. Like here, no need to write value, right? Because already I took the value. So I think match is enough. You have to smart. You have to be smart, right? This is not the object. This is the object, and the dot value means you have value over here. Got it? Email
Sir,
value.
but line 58, I think it should be var mail format, isn't it? Because this is gonna replace the value of email.
Just a second. I'll talk to you. This should be this is your email value,
Oh.
right? What are you reading?
Then inside the bracket, it should be email.
Inside the bracket, this one?
Yeah, because
No.
mail format
Yeah,
is
yeah,
the
yeah, 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 yeah. You can use this one, mail format.
right. Yeah.
Fine. Done. So here you can write your sorry email. Your email is not valid. Sorry, your email is.
Valid.
I just wanted to know from you. In order to do all those things, do you think I did something? No. Simple Google, and I got it. But you have to apply a little bit your brain.
You know, we need to have an idea of what we're doing, right?
Of course, man. Without that, you cannot do anything.
Anything. Yeah.
Sorry.
Nagin,
Line 55 also.
I missed something.
Line 55.
This should be email. Yep.
Nagin, a quick question about line 58.
Please. 58.
So 58, I don't know, after mail format equal, what is that slash all these things? I don't know. What is that?
This is called regex. No need to understand it.
Okay.
Regex. In regex, you just put the pattern, your email, right? So there's a rule for it, right? I would say no need to understand right now.
Okay.
There would be rule to write,
You say at the rate over there, and like there is a part for the domain. I think is just make sure you're not missing anything.
Let me try.
Regular
Here.
expression.
Oh, it's not working. There's something wrong. Let me check it. Or I put the I don't know, opposite condition. Let me try. I don't know. I'm trying. Matches. That's not working. Let me check it again. This is not working. Give me a sec. I need to put double quotes. There is not. Try.
So isn't it up?
It's not doing anything.
Because inside if there should be not. No.
That's okay, but it's not working. No error is coming.
Maybe the regex is bad.
Let me try something else. Fast. So what you need to take precaution over here is when you have external file, right, over here, so be careful, right? If you have external file, in our case, it was, yes, you know, if you have this external file and you have this content, which content is going to be overridden, imported one, right? Whatever you write inside the script, it will be overridden by this. So please be careful. This is one of the mistakes which I did. Clear? So just willing to know whatever code I wrote over here, do you think I put a lot of effort? No. So let's work on the email validation, right? This should be okay. Am I correct? It's not saying anything. But if I miss at the rate, it should show me error. Sorry, your email is not valid. Clear? What about to at the rate? This is also not allowed. You cannot write to at the rate. Am I right? Yep. People, you got the idea?
Yes,
Instead
sir.
of like .com, if you put
.com, if you don't write dot, you check always one dot, right? One dot something com. It's not there, it will also show you the error. But multiple dot is possible, right?
if you put one
.com.
dot,
You can write
I
Java.
think double dot is possible,
Dot,
but .com dot
yeah.
is possible, like, but not.
Yeah, I
in
think
a row.
there .com and .co. I think it should be also fine, right? It's
Yeah.
written like this. Yep, that's true. I hope you got the idea about jQuery. From jQuery syntax, can you make the Ajax call? Of course, you can do it. If you tell me you want to make Ajax call with jQuery, yes, you can do it, right? So basically, on this click, I want to make Ajax call. Allow me, right? So Ajax call with jQuery, please. So there is a method get JSON. If you want to basically fetch only what, man?
JSON.
If you want to only fetch the JSON data with get, So you can use this syntax, because this syntax earlier I was using a lot. You can use $Ajax or you can use $get.json. In $Ajax, beauty is you can use any method, but here you can use only get method, the URL and callback method. This syntax is simple. Allow me. What? So you want to make Ajax call when, man? Any guess? When your page is getting loaded right here. So making which call? Making Ajax call. Ajax call in jQuery. How, man? $jQuery get JSON, and here you can write the URL from REST API, right? And actually it is taking how many parameter? Sir,
Two.
only two parameter. First parameter is the URL, and second parameter is a anonymous function, right? That's it.
So first is the URL of our REST API.
Yeah, our REST API. So right now in this project we don't have REST API,
JSON
so
files.
we can give the JSON file name, that is
Right.
this is data.json. So it is similar to fetching data from the remote. So you can put this over here, right, like this, and then data will come in this data. This is JavaScript object. How I came to know? You can do console.log, right? So if it is JavaScript object, you can easily see it. Let's try. How? Right click on it, go to the inspect and click on the console button, refresh it, and it's running in, here you can see on the console. Can you see this, my dear? This is, you need to tell me this is JavaScript object or not. How we came to know it is JavaScript object? When you expand it, right? So you see,
Superclass.
yeah, this is actually pointing to the superclass of it. This is this in this way you can say this is JavaScript object. Nice. Yep. Hello. So Ajax is a nothing. You can easily do it, right? Get JSON. Instead of that, you can use this syntax also. So tell me, syntax. I just wanted to know. Syntax I remember or what? No, I don't remember it. Clear? Like here, you can use $Ajax and you can pass. This is a JavaScript object you are passing, right? Data type means you want to fetch JSON data, URL, and data will come in this and success. Are you following me?
No. So
Okay.
JSON. So line 2 is JSON. We always write JSON, right?
Yeah,
And line
yeah,
3
yeah.
in place of URL, we give the URL
Yeah,
of REST API.
yeah, URL of it,
The second
and
URL.
yeah,
And
yeah.
data.
In data, you will pass the data. You are passing. Just give me a second.
We are passing nothing.
I'm telling you. Data. In this, your data will come. So this data you can print it. Okay. This is having your data, and success is the another attribute. In this you can write your callback method, right? When success, then this callback. Here you can pass the callback method. Let me make it more clear. Okay.
We can
Same thing. I'm
implement.
going to do it. Yeah. See. Data type, it is fixed. URL, you can use this one. Please help me, right? Here you can write your method also, right? I'm using get method if you don't give anything. And success, I think you can write some callback method. Let me try. If it is success, right? Then this will execute. Are you following me? And here you can write a function. People reply. I think your data will come over here. In this, when you hit this URL, your data will come in this. Make sense? And when data comes successful, then it's this you can make it optional. It's not, if you are not interested in success. So let's try. Do not take much tension, man. This kind of syntax already we have done. Remember, I said make an object key value, and this is the variable where you are assigning to it anonymous function to it, right? So I'm going
Can
to
we comment line 29 and try?
line number 29 and try. Okay. You don't want to see both at the same time. So
Yeah.
here inspect it and go to the console. And click on this, complete it, console. It's not working. Give me a second.
Because it happens after magic, that's why.
No. It's not like that. People, do you understand
Yes.
the jQuery syntax? Let me show you again. What you need to do, as per this, $Ajax, and you are passing JavaScript object, right? This is data type. I want to get JSON data from the server, and this is the URL. And success, right? So when success, then you are calling this call method. There was one attribute data. Data is what purpose? You can send some JSON data, right? Like this. Hello. Here you can, if you want to send data, you can use. I can show you that example also. Anybody have any question query? Which one in this? Well, if you want to make get and you want to get JSON data, this one is the nice one. Yep. So you can use anyone, right? In this example, I am fetching data using $Ajax, and this is more, flexible, and we always use it. I don't know, you guys got it, or I make you totally confused? Tell me. You got it, or you got confused? Please let me know. So this is the little bit exam. Whatever you have done yesterday using JavaScript, can we do with jQuery? Answer is yes, right? So sir, whatever data is coming, right? You want to show it, at the bottom. Yep. Let's make it. People, you are not replying now. You guys lost the session. You don't understand what I'm doing now. Again, not replying. Guys, I am audible.
We are.
Arun and all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are following you.
Sir, you should say yes, sir, so that other people who is sitting around you, right? They should get up. Oh my God, what happened? You would say everything is cool. jQuery session is going on. That's why sometime it happens. Yep. So what my plan is? Tell me. My plan is I want to populate this table with jQuery. Allow me.
Yes.
Allow me. Where in the same program, somebody saying why you are making everything in one program? Why you are not making a new program for it? Let's do that. So Ajax, right? jQuery. Right? Yep. So what I'm going to do? Ajax jQuery. People. Basically, what I want to do is data is coming here. I would definitely I need it, right? But that you want to call on click button. Which button? On click button. You want to make this call. When somebody click on magic button. It's okay. And magic button you can write load. And you can write load here. Anybody confused? No confusion. Load button and clear button.
Oh, so this is not making any change in the database.
No. We are not making any REST call. Okay.
We're only loading, right?
Yeah. We are not making any REST call. That's why. Other thing I'm deleting it because I don't need it. Let's see how page looks like. Okay. It will not take much time because everything is there. I have to just in JavaScript already every code are there. I have to just when you click on it, table should come over here. Data is coming. Can you see this, sir?
Yeah, we can use that for table.
Sir. In Ajax, right? Already table is there. Yes. If you allow to me, I can copy this table. Yep. Hello. Table I copied over here, right? Table is ready, right? Yep. So how it looks like now? Table is there. Oh, it's looking nice or very bad? Very bad. Okay. Because
Wait.
what? Because this I should put inside main, because on main we have container, and because of this class it align in center. That's why I put my all the content inside main tag. Clear? Done. Now when you click on it, you want to show the data. So this method you want to call on click load, right? And this data is here. This data I have to populate in between the way I did, I think, in previous session. What I need to do, my dear? Already we have code in Ajax. Are you with me? This code is there. If you allow to me, can I copy this code blindly like this? Yep. This code is written in JavaScript, right? Same code I can do with jQuery here. Allow me. How, man? Can you see this? Data is there as it is, but here I need to
It's in
populate
value.
my value. Here, this is writing document.getElement by ID, right? This syntax we have to replace with jQuery syntax. How? Dollar hash, and you can use this ID. Instead of inner HTML, you can use .html, right? And you can put this content over there. Got it? Same as previous session. People, now when you click on it, right, data will come. And there is another button. Which button we have? Clear. Clear T. Clean T button. So what I need to do on this? When somebody click on this button, see my speed? Yes. So you can write it, man. When somebody click on this button, what you want to do is you want to tell me clear the data, right? When somebody click on this cleaned button. This is clear. Shall I explain it more? It's clear. So what you want to do is on wherever you put the content, right? You want to make it blank. So can I try this much? Blank means that data will be get cleared. Let's try. How? Refresh it. When you click on it, data comes, and when you click on it, data gone. Yep. No? Hello. If you want, you can hide the entire table. You want to hide entire table? Somebody is saying yes. Can you come with me? What you can do in
ID
order
of
to do
table.
that, you can give the ID to the table. Simple. Table data. This is the ID. So basically you want to show and hide the table, right? So here you can, if you want to, here you want to hide the table. How you can do that? Dollar hash table ID. You got the table object, then you can say hide. Hide is the method in this in jQuery. Clear? Done. But this you have to show it also, right? Basically here you can show it. Am I right? Yep. Show. In the beginning, right? When you are loading it, you can hide it. Hide means you don't want to show the table. Hello. Hide the table. When? When table when is ready. That's why you are hiding in the ready handler. Shall I try this much? Initially you are hiding it. When you click on it, you are showing the table plus showing the data. When somebody click on the clear button, you are first of all you are cleaning the data, then you are hiding the table. Let's refresh it and see it. Can you see this? Yep. Anybody have any query? Guys, you are not replying. Can I know the reason why you are not replying?
You write method, you wrote method on head part and inside the script tag, and you call.
I would like to explain you just a second. Like here, let me conclude it. What I did, I just added one photo on top of the table. That's it, to make it little bit lucrative. Fine. So this is clear to you guys, everyone?
How did you get the
Yes.
same
I'll come to your point.
shape of the photo?
Actually, I just download the similar photo, right? Of that kind of size, right? The background color 0. That's why it's matching with this. Are you following me? And I just make the height of it 200, and I just pasted it 3 times. Benefit is it will come in 3 times, right? Click on this, data is coming and it's gone. Hello? So do you understand this code or not? Sarita, I'll come to your point. Other people, you got the idea? In beginning, I'm hiding my table. This code is clear?
Yes.
This is the idea of it. So please, in order to learn all those things, you have to make your hand dirty. Please go and make your hand dirty. And after today's session, you should always feel jQuery is nothing. If you know JavaScript, it means you know jQuery also. Yes or no? And I'm telling you, if you want to really enjoy with your job, just make your practical hand very nice. You should have very good real hands on, right? So in order to do that, you should be habitual of writing code here and there, right? Simple as that. An industry